Hi, this is Kendra with WTI. This is the BLACK+DECKER portable window air conditioning unit. This has come in really handy for our family in our vacation home because it's in a very hot, dry climate. Now, this thing is really cool because it actually has 3 settings on it. So as you can see, it has the air conditioning setting. So when you turn the power on here, you can change it to air conditioning, which shows, come a little closer, which shows with the little snowflake, the air conditioning. And you can see that you can actually set a temperature. So if you want it to be a little warmer, a little colder, whatever, you can set it to that exact temperature that you would like. Also, you can press this button again and it becomes a dehumidifier, which is really, really awesome for some environments that you might need that. Next, you have, press that button one more time, it becomes a fan, just a simple fan, which is amazing. So you actually can change the levels of the fan. This is the highest level, so you can hear it's still really quiet, down to the lowest level. So still really much quieter, obviously. So the air conditioning unit, this is at its max level, and you can tell it's not very loud at all. So that's one really nice feature, that it has those 3 elements to it. Also, the assembly is super duper easy. So as you can see, just stick that thing in the window. It's not hard at all. So I love easy assembly. This has been an awesome unit for our home, and that's our point of view.